Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the official YouTube channel of Officers Adda 24/7. My name is Amanjot and I am here with all of you to discuss the another session on the principles and practices of banking subject. And this is our fourth class in which we are discussing the case study plus MCQ questions regarding your JAIIB May-June 2023 exam. Okay. So let's start the session. Before starting the session, if you are new to the channel of Officers Adda 24/7, then do not forget to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon so that all the upcoming sessions notification will be given to you. Also, if you haven't downloaded the application, then do download the application so that you will be able to join the classes very easily with a friendly intercom. And apart from that, you will be able to get the additional 1% discount here. Okay. So let's start the session with the first question that is talking about that if buyer of machine, do read that very carefully. If buyer of machine wants to purchase machine from supplier on a long-term credit basis and the machine supplier agrees to supply the machine on the basis of a bank guarantee, which type of guarantee shall be required? Okay, so the buyer wants to purchase the machine. So what kind of, or what type of bank guarantee have to be given? Is it a financial guarantee, performance guarantee, deferred payment guarantee, performance cum deferred payment guarantee? Which of the following will be correct? A, B, C or D? Let me know. A, B, C or D? Which of the following will be correct? Okay, so the right answer will be performance cum deferred payment guarantee you have to give if a buyer want to purchase the machine on the long-term credit basis. Okay, so the right answer will be D option. Next, this is a kind of a case study, not a case study. This is not a case study. It's a kind of a statement-based question that is asking about which of the following is true or not true statements kind. Okay. So one of the following statement is not true with respect to NEFT and you have to answer that which of the following is not true. Okay. So the first question or the first option is saying funds are transferable electronically from one customer account of a participant bank branch to another customer account of any other participant bank of branch. Second, the individual branches participating in NEFT can be located only in the urban and metro centers. Third, the remitting branch prepares a structured financial messaging solution SFMS message and sends it to the service center for NEFT. Fourth, the RBI at the clearing center sort the transaction bank-wise and prepares the accounting entries of net debit and credit for passing on to the banks participating in the system. So you have to tell out of these four options which of the following is not true regarding the NEFT. So first of all, NEFT stands for National Electronic Fund Transfer. This National Electronic Fund Transfer is a way by which the online funds can be transferred. The online funds can be transferred with the help of NEFT and there is no minimum and maximum amount requirement is there. You can transfer the fund whatever you want. And apart from that, one new update is that NEFT will be available 24/7. Okay, it will be available 24/7. So let me know which of the following is correct. A, B, C or D. Okay, so the right answer will be your B. The individual branches participating in NEFT can be located only in urban and metro centers. No, it will be located everywhere in the country. Okay, so right answer will be your B option. That's a not correct statement. Next, to address customer grievances in respect of insurance contract on personal lives, there is an institution called Dash. Okay, so what we are saying, if you want to address customer grievances, in respect of insurance, the contract on personal lives, there is an option. There is an institution from where you will be able to do so. So what type of institution is it? Is it an insurance ombudsman? Is it an insurance regulator? Insurance intermediary or IRDA? IRDA stands for Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority of India. So let me know which of the following option is correct in respect to your complaint you want to handle of the customers in case of your insurance. A, B, C or D, which of the following is correct? So that's a very simple answer. Like if I am having a certain problem with the bank, what I have to do? I have to go to the bank branch. I have to talk to my home branch and I have to wait for 1 month. If the home branch is not providing me the solution, then I have the option after 1 month, I can go to the banking ombudsman. Now that banking ombudsman has been changed into the integrated ombudsman. So I will be able to go to the integrated ombudsman scheme. Okay, and they will be providing me the solution. Similarly, if you want to do the complaint of insurance companies, you can go to the insurance ombudsman. So the right answer for this particular question will be A option. Okay, next. Fourth, an endorsement can be. So you have heard about this term endorsement so many times, like in the check and in another instruments also. First of all, what does endorsement means? Endorsement means transfer. Hana? Like for example, if someone issued a check on my name, but I want to pay the money to the another person with the same check, Hana, I can endorse that particular check. I can transfer that particular check on the another person's name. So I will be giving the order to the bank, just give the money of this check to this particular person. Hana? That is the endorsement. So which of the following way is there to do the endorsement? First is saying the face or back of the negotiable instrument. Now what is negotiable instrument? Simply a document which can be transferred from one person to another for the payment purpose. Okay, second, piece of paper annexed to the instrument. That will be covered. Third, a stamped paper intended to be completed as a negotiable instrument. And the fourth one, any of the above. So what do you think which of the following is correct in case of endorsement? A, B, C or D? Which of the following will be correct? By which of the following ways we will be allowed to do the endorsement? Okay, very good. So the right answer for this particular question will be any of the above. So any of the above is around, we have the way to do the endorsement of a document. So you can endorse any negotiable instrument. Hana? Like if I am endorsing the check, what I am doing, I am just writing the backside. I am just writing on the backside of the check that do pay this particular amount of check to the third person, or I will mention the name of the person or account number of the person. Okay, now next. Bank employees are always advised to follow the code of conduct. That is a certain way in which you have to behave, in which you have to work in an organization. That is the code of conduct laid down by the bank. Abuse of official position for personal gains or providing gains to friends, family members and others with selfish motive amounts to violate of employee's obligation to the bank. So some of the example of abuse of power can be. So in the business, a certain business ethics is there, and those business ethics provides us a certain code of conduct, certain rule book, I can say in the simple language, that we have got a rule book from our organization, like this is how you have to behave, this is how you have to work in the organization, and that rule book is defining the functions we have to perform, the activities we have to perform, the power we have, the power we don't have, everything is there. But there are some people who are misusing that power that has been given by the organization. So that you have to tell out of these four options, which power is it? Hana? Like not the which power, but which of the following example will be the example of that the person is misusing his or her power, or the abuse of power has been done by the employee. Which of the following will be correct? Okay, so first option is saying bank employee goes for a personal travel and claims reimbursement as a official travel. Okay, second, use of official resources for personal use. Third, false claims beyond the fixed request. Third, all of the above. So which of the following will be correct? Which of the following will be correct? A, B, C or D? All of the above, very good. All of the above are the example that the people or the employees are having or doing the misuse of their power or abuse of their power. Okay, so the right answer will be all of the above. Next. Sixth question is talking about initial public offering. IPO means that an unlisted company makes to the public for the first time. It means simply company is issuing its shares for the first time for the public. It will be known as your IPO. So first we are saying a fresh issue of security, offer its existing security for sale. Which of the following is correct in context to the IPO? In context to IPO, initial public offering, which of the following options will be correct? So company is issuing share for the first time for the public. What part is it? Will company issue a new security or will company offer its existing security for sale? So the right answer will be your okay. The right answer will be both. Both are allowed to buy the company to issue for the public for the first time. Okay, so the right answer will be your B option. Sorry, D option. Both 1 and 2. Next, seventh question. What is the main objective of blue revolution? So we know that so many types of revolutions has been introduced in the country in India. So there are different types of revolutions and different types of field or products they are supporting to. So which of the following is a part of your blue revolution? Is it related to seafoods? Is it related to pisciculture? Is it related to iodine? Is it related to prawns? Which of the following is correct? So blue revolution is very simple to remember because it is related to what? It is related to the pisciculture. Okay, blue revolution is related to what? It is related to your pisciculture. Very good. Next. A staff examined organization's financial statement and determined that they present a number of significant items in a fraudulent manner. So you know that you should report this situation to the management, but I'm concerned that reporting it might result in your employment being terminated. Okay, that fear you have. So the failure to report this situation is a violation of which of the following ethical standards of ethical professional practices? So you were doing what? You were just checking, you were just examining the official documents or the financial statement of the company, and you find out that this company is doing what? This company is presenting a number of significant items, that is the fraud in a fraud manner. And you want to complain about it, but if you report this to the management, there is a chances that you will lose your employment. In that situation, if you not report this issue to the management, what kind of ethical standard you are violating? Is it competence? Is it confidentiality? Is it integrity? Or is it credibility? Which kind of ethical standard you are violating here? A, B, C, or D? Okay, so right answer will be credibility. You are not credible to your company. So you are losing your credibility here if you are not reporting the ethical standard, if you are not reporting this issue to your management. Okay, so right answer will be D. That is one of the ethical principle. Documents not stamped properly is what kind of risk? If the document which is required is not stamped properly, then what kind of risk we have to face? Or bank have to face? Is it a credit risk, operational risk, legal risk, any one of the above? Which of the following will be correct? A, B, C, or D? So the signatures are missing. Signatures are missing. In that situation, it is obvious that it will be a legal risk. If the signatures are missing, that's a legal risk. Next, the minimum period for opening FCNR deposit account is. So FCNR stands for foreign currency non-resident account. This is the account which has to be opened in the foreign currency. It's a kind of FD in the foreign currency fixed deposit. And this account will be maintained by NRI, non-resident Indians. It can be opened by PIO, person of Indian origin. It can be opened by OCI, overseas citizen of India. So you have to tell which of the following is the minimum duration for this account to open a FD in the foreign currency under the FCNR account. The maximum duration I will let you know, that's a 5 years. Or it can be written in the option as a month. So 60 months it is. And the minimum year will be 1 year. It means 12 months. So the right answer will be 12 months. Okay. So sometimes they can give the options in the months also. So do remember that. Next. Now let me know out of 10 questions, how many questions you have answered correct. Let me know. So this is the information for all of you that the new selection batch started from the 6th of March. That's the English medium batch. And also the English medium target batch started from the 20th of February. These are the batches will be covering the conceptual clarity for all of you. Okay. And to enroll in any of these batch, you can use the code Y496. You will get here the 81% discount that is available till 12 p.m. today only. After that, this discount will be only remain for 78%. Next. Apart from that, we have a test series and ebook also. If you want to go with the practice question and all, then you can go with these options. And right now, 23% off is going on this particular product. By using a code Y496S, you can avail that offer. And if you want target batch, selection batch, ebook, test series, everything, then you can go with the Maha Pack, where the double validity plus 81% off is going on all the Maha Packs. Okay. Now, how to enroll? To enroll, just you have to visit the Adda 24/7 application. Go to the Adda 24/7 application. Okay, this is the application you will find, and then you can go to the JAIIB CIB section. And if you want to go with the target batch, just click on the JAIIB 2023. You will find all these are the batches. If you go down, you will find test series, video courses and ebooks also. All the things are available in a single page. Let's say you want to go with the selection batch of the JAIIB. Just go and read all the details, check all the details. You can check here that the dates and time is mentioned for all the subject. All the so the study plan is already uploaded. Hana? So you can go and check that and then click on the buy now option, enter a code here. That will be your Y496 and click on the apply. When you apply, you will find 80% discount here, but the additional 1% discount that I have already promised you will be available if you use the coins on the application. You will get this. Okay. And the price around 3,700 you have to pay here. Okay. After using the code Y496 and after using the coins on the application, the amount you have to pay will be around 3,700. Okay, but the much better option to invest will be your Maha Packs because the double validity and 81% off is there. So for that, what you have to do, you have to go to the application back and click on the Maha Pack here. Click here JAIIB, CIB, Maha Pack. You can find these are the 3 Maha Packs. So JAIIB ka Maha Pack, JAIIB and CIB ka Maha Pack will be 2 options for all of you. This will be for 2 years validity. This will be for 1 year validity. It will cover JAIIB, CIB both. It will cover only JAIIB. Hai So how to enroll? Just click on any Maha Pack you want to go. Read all the details. After reading all the details, just click on the buy now option. And enter the same code Y496 and click on the apply. Again, the 80% off you will see, but 1% additional discount will be available on the application. Okay. So around 6,200 you have to pay for the 1 year validity with ebooks, test series, live classes, everything. Upcoming revision batches, upcoming case study batches, everything will be available for you. In the Maha Pack and selection batch, you are just getting the conceptual classes. Hai na? So this is the way you can enroll 6 plus 6 months validity, JAIIB, everything will be covered here. Okay, and do remember this offer will be valid till 12 p.m. today, the double validity and 81% off. And the code you have to remember will be Y496. Clear? So if you still have any doubt regarding the batch or how to enroll or regarding any particular question, you can ask in the comment section. I will be checking your comment and answering there. Okay. So thank you all for joining the session. Last but not the least, if you are new to the channel of Officers Adda 24/7, then do subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so that all the upcoming sessions notification will be given to you. Okay. So thank you so much for joining the session and have a great day. Take care all.